National Weather Service has issued flash flood warning for Grady County, Georgia. Effective until 6:26 p.m., the National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a flash flood warning for central Grady County in southwestern Georgia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain falling across the warned area. Between 2 and 5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cairo, Wickham, Princes Still, Grady Co-A/P, Capital, Reno, Nickelville, and Pine Park. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings, and do not drive on flooded roads. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely.